One of the challenge things when you work on the, especially the Korean car, tucking the film around this window. And then if you see here, this rubber, it's moving, but this one, it's not moving at all. You cannot grab it. When you grab it, you have maybe possible to damage here or damage the paint. So I'm going to teach you how to remove this quarter panel or quarter window. Let's go to the other side, I will show you. This is the window. I already removed it. The reason I didn't make the video from the beginning because I was alone at the shop. For this one, you need at least another hand to help you. I will say why. So if you are new here, this is the Arash and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe it and then turn on the notification. So when I upload the new video, you can come and then very welcome to watch my video. I have to go inside the car and then my brother gonna help me to show you how to remove this. Now this car is the Genesis Coupe. Is from 2000, I think 8 or 2016, 17. All gonna be same way. And so first you need to, I'm sure that cover, you need to remove this cover, and then it's having the 10mm socket, so you need to remove that one, and then grab that plastic panel, and then after it's coming out, slide it forward to the right side, like this way, okay, because those are hooks going under it. And the next step is this panel. Just all it stick by the key, and then when you do that, the bottom part also coming out together. You need to make this one separate because you need more room to grab the nuts behind the window. Okay. Okay, in this way. If you look at that, all sticking, where is that? Those are yellow put pin or the key or whatever. We call it in Korea, in Korean language, hasana. Okay, and when you remove that one, you will see the 5 knots. Let me show you. 5 knots like this in 10mm. That's actually 4, but it's 5. And let me go other side and then talk to you. Don't be stupid. Okay, as I told you guys, if you see here, we having the 5 piece, and the very important things here is not the silicone. Name is the silante. This is very strong but sticky, and then when you want to remove that one, just imagine this is going in, okay? And then after you remove the 5 knots, you need the heat gun to hitting this area, not here, this area. Okay, and then when you do it at the same time, you have to hold the window, and then the other person from the inside slowly push it this one out. When you do that, heat gun making this silante a bit soft and then kind of the melt, and you can grab the window and then remove it. And also, now I show you how to put this one back. So before that, I need to do the heat gun. Armin, come help me. Okay, now before you put it back, you need to warm up this silante. Same way you're removing it, just make it warm and then push the film, and then when you want to put it back, just make it warm and put it back. And sometimes this one is coming with the window, sometimes sticking to the body. And this one works for all the Korean cars, 100%. Every car having this window, they coming off or they install it from the factory in the same way. So now he's going to close the bolt, and it's done. This is very easy and then clean way to remove that one, so you can tuck the all everything in. And he closing the bolt. If you are done, take it. Oh, no problem. And I recommend that don't make it too tight, okay? Because this sealant already gonna hold it very well, and then no any water, anything gonna go in. And then now he putting those cover panel in. So as you can see, he first put in the bottom part, slide it in, and done. And if you are curious to remove this window trim for the here, okay, first it's having the one rubber just like this one. Grab it, it's gonna come off. And first you need to sliding this one in like this way when you're removing it, and then look at having the few screw plus the one push pin here. Okay, after you remove those one, sliding to the left, and then when you want to put it back, slide it to the right. That is the old.
So in this way you can remove it and then also put it back. So it's super easy. Always do it the one or two from the front and then one from the back, so it can hold it up. That's done. Don't tie it too hard. One is missing. And another one. I think I left it in the other box, so maybe you can have it from the beginning. Okay, this one. Now it's time to put this rubber back. Line it up very well. This rubber actually is very easy. I remove it the first time and all the time make me headache too. Going in same as before. And if you see, then this one in, okay? You have to do like this. And then here, having the pin like that. It's going in, and then here also too. Everything lined up and close it nicely. And let me close it up. Yes, like this, and this is how we did after this jumper. The color is so nice, and look at how it's smooth, clean. I love it.
This is how you can remove the quarter window from any Korean car. Some of them is like the van they have it at the front, and then most of the car like sedan and coupe having here. It's very easy, but you need to just find how you can remove those are the plastic panel from the inside, and you can get the access to do it. And you need one person to help. This is important because maybe when you do the heat gun or when you push the window gonna be fall off, and then it's going to be hard to get it again. And then please subscribe the channel, turn on the notification. I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Bye bye.